those screws line. The curves is the biggest part. You want to make sure you get some nice screws and get them closer to the edge than the back, because you want that curve to stay held on.
I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down, she know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money, yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. These designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics, that roll dough compliment.
Okay, this is the lip, denatured alcohol, rag, pair of gloves. Let me let's bust this open. You can see what's in your, it's the rubberized lip. You get off eBay, but it's two different types. I don't like all of them, not for this purpose. Like, I might take the one off the side, one of the ones off the side, and put the other type on. But see, this the foam one. See, it's very, very flimsy and foamy and foam-like. The other one I have, I don't gotta see where I put it at. It's a little harder and thicker. It's harder to flex and bend. Where did I put it at? Somewhere. But anyway, this is the one we're gonna use for the front lip. That way, it's more durable. So when something hits it, it'll just flex in and straighten back out. The other one will pull and it'll start ripping it off because it's so hard and stiff. So let's get this one put on. All right, this is what it looks like under. And it's the type of lip. You see, that's that hard lip. So it's so hard to start pulling it to over here. You see what happened? It pulled and it broke it. And you see how my screws in under the perimeter? Got screws going all the way around. So I'm just gonna work my way around, disconnecting all of those, getting this junk off. Set the light up so we could actually get a good shot of what's going on. Start working on taking it off, which ain't that hard. freaking wrap. Alright. Now, clean, denatured alcohol, and saturate it down. Saturate it. Clean, 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 clean. Clean, 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 clean. Alright. Alright. All of this clean now. I'm gonna let that dry, which takes seconds. I see it dissolving right now. So, next, see y'all can see. Okay, so we got it yanked off. After I yanked off that lip, threw it over there, came back around. Of course, you can see my wrap, how my wrap's kind of coming back around from scraping the bottom. I guess it kind of unwrapped a little bit, but all this on the bottom, you can't even see this from the front. But anyway, we'll come back here with the new lip, and we're gonna stick it down, and we're gonna give it a nice little tug, a slight tug, not a nice little tug, but a slight tug to kind of make it, make sure it's kind of tight and as far as stretched, and then we'll come back behind with the screws and screw it to the bumper. So looks like it's pretty dry right now. So let me get this position again so y'all can see me a little bit. Make sure it's recording. Y'all recording? Yeah, y'all see me? Alright. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over about an inch. And the best way to put this is on, not from under. You want to do it from the top, because you want to get it right at the front, right at the edge. You want it to be, you don't want to be able to see the gray from the front. With that lip to come right up to the edge. You'll have to kind of put a little pull. Getting on that curve again, so I'm about to start using a little tug to kind of wrap it Make sure I get around the edge to where it don't like the lip tucked back up under the car. And not too far out to where you start seeing the gray. So the edge is done. Let me cut off the remnant, the remainder. Let's get an overcut. Now, let me go back on the other side and start sticking it back down because I know it's going to try to come loose, especially on the curve. And then I'm going to start screwing it down. Alright, so now I'm going to get my screws put in. Get them screws put in. I'm going to get it right. Okay, so I got those screws lined. The curves is the biggest part. You're going to make sure you get some nice screws and close, get them closer to the edge than the back. Because you want that curve to stay held on nice and tight. Now I'm just going to work my way around the other side and let me get back over here, especially that curve. It's gonna try to come unwrap because I got a little stress on that from tugging it. So time to make my way back around, doing the same thing with the screws. So I'm just gonna chug along, putting the screw every probably 6 inches right here, and then when I get to this curve, I'm gonna tighten them up probably every 3 or 4 inches again, like I did on this other side. All right, so I got all the screws put in now. They going all the way around, and I'm gonna get back up top, and I'm gonna cut the edges off, cut them off flush, so it'll look nice and clean, which ain't a difficult task at all. So now I'm just come over here and I'm gonna trim it up a tad bit. My bad, got y'all facing the ground. But, see, I actually got a little bit of, see, I got it too far out actually. I got it screwed in. That's not bothering me that much. I really don't see, I don't really want that exposed like that. Even though you won't see it at all from up here. But I try to utilize all the tape so I can have a better connection. So anyway, let's trash this. You know, I put that right there. I might use that little scrap. And then get the scissors. We do the same thing on this side. You know what? I guess when it came off, it almost freaking shrunk down. It's already pretty much, that's why you always gotta go over. Always go a little more, cause look at it. I guess when I stretched it, when it came off and I put it back on, it kind of ended up utilizing that extra little 1 inch or whatever I put. So we good now. New lip is installed. That old tacky lip is gone. And the Lexus, that's a little repair I made with a little super glue. But the Lexus is back clean and temporarily repaired. I say temporarily because I gotta get this. I'm gonna drop this whole bumper one of these days. Now the battery's charging up. I'm about to get some more juice in there so we can start, because that mother was dead. I don't never let the Lexus die. But thank y'all for tuning in. More videos coming soon. Have to catch y'all up on the Lexus content, but we here. We are here, man. Look, keep the numbers growing. Make sure y'all share the videos. You know, we here for just all the car guys, man. car guys, project guys, DIY, whatever, man. That's what we're here for, bro. Make sure y'all, please, subscribe if y'all not part of the channel, man. Because that's what supports me, man. Y'all watching a video is helpful. But when y'all subscribe, that helps me more. Because now, when new content comes, y'all don't have to look for it. It's already there. And then on top of that, people that follow me will start being able to spread the content, you know, give more support spreading the content. So again, man, I appreciate those that do subscribe and follow, and more on the way, man. Thank y'all. Deuces.